So for 324, once you're on this page and you're on Schoology, you're going to go ahead and click where it says 324 notebook work. Once you click that, it'll open up your assignment and you're going to have to click where it says My Document. Once you click My Document, it's going to make it's going to open up your copy of the work. So you should be able to work on it from here. So if you click Edit, then you'll actually be able to, it'll open it up and you'll be able to work on it. Make sure you read each page really carefully, as each page does have a specific set of directions. So for example, this page, if you can't exactly see it, you can zoom in on your screen, or you could click the little plus sign, or you could click present and it'll make it bigger. So it says, read the directions below and watch the video before proceeding with the following activity. Directions. If we are completing work from the notebook, then you will see it formatted in this digital style. Make sure to answer all questions completely and thoroughly in order to receive credit. If it is a multiple choice question, you must drag and drop the red circles at the top of the page on the answer you are selecting. If you accidentally delete the red circle, then click Insert, Shape, Circle, and place it where it should go. So, I'm going to go ahead and go to the next page. So you got to click Escape to get out of here. And you can go ahead and go to slide 2. And you'll see here are your questions. Go ahead and click the plus sign at the, no, not that way, Alexis, go back. Click the plus sign up right below where it says insert. Not that one. Sorry. This to the right. Right there, and it'll let you zoom in. So zoom in a little bit. If you put it maybe, there you go, that works. That way you can just see it a little bit more. So you're going to go ahead and go through questions 2, 3, and 4. You'll read these questions, and if you see at the top of the page, there's this yellow box. It says, if you could scroll up a little bit, it says drag the red circles below to your answer choices. So if you click one of the red circles and hold it as you're clicking it, you'll be able to drag it to whichever answer you think is your choice. So if for number 2 you think it's A, you can go ahead and leave it on A. Drag and drop. And then you'll do the same thing for number 3 and number 4 to whichever answers you think it is. Make sure you read it carefully. Okay, and then let's go to the next slide. Go to the next one, because that one you accidentally put in. So on this next slide, you have questions 5 and 6. It's a little different. For any question that it's going to ask you to type, make sure I put in these little text boxes for you. It says, click here to type your response, minimum 3 sentences. Make sure you check for grammar and spelling errors. Okay, so if you click on the box, and once you're in the text box, you can highlight the text that I put, and then you can delete that text and write your response. Okay, and you make sure you're checking for spelling and grammar errors and so on. Okay, if you accidentally delete this box for some reason, all you need to do is click Insert at the top, and then you would click Text Box, but you don't actually have to click it right now because we still have our box. Okay, and then let's go to the next page. Question 5, same thing, make sure you're reading all the directions carefully, and I also included some boxes in there for you to type in. The directions in red are going to be what you need to do. There's a video on this page, so make sure you check that out. And then any box in yellow, that means you need to complete it. Okay, and then once you finish all your work, you have to submit it. So in order to submit it, go back to Schoology. And once you're in Schoology, you'll see this button that says Submit Assignment. You have to submit your work in order for me to get it. If you don't submit it, then I can't give you credit for it. Okay? I hope this helps, guys. If you have any questions, let me know, or make sure you watch the video thoroughly one more time. If not, send me a message and I can totally help you out, okay? Have a good day, guys. Bye. Be kind, be safe.